Well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here. We are shooting this video inside, obviously. Why? Because it is the middle of November, and it is very, very cold and very, very windy outside. So I figured it would be a good spot to sit here next to the fire and talk about some hot deals that we have going on this week, with it being Black Friday week. We are going to carry these deals from Sunday today until Sunday of next week, and Brute Force is doing 10% off on all retail orders. We are your local dealer here in the Northeast and on the East Coast, so I would love to earn your business with the sales quote. So please give us a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER, 833-775-4887. You can also email me those points of interest that you want to quote on. It's sales@shaverequipment.com. And on top of Brute Force's 10% off, we are doing our very own flash sale. We already have a couple units on order, so the standard right now is going to be right around a 20 to a 24 week wait. We put these orders in weeks and weeks ago, so we're already probably halfway through the waiting time frame on it. I'm really hoping, fingers are crossed here, for a December 2022 delivery. If it doesn't happen on this calendar year, it will happen very soon into the 23 calendar year, right there in January. So what kind of deals are we talking about? Well, if we did a 30-30 stump buster from Brute Force with a 6-way wedge, the normal retail price would be $6,045. So Brute Force is going to give you 10% off of that, which is $604, giving you the grand total sale price of $5,441. Now, our flash sale, for instance, is going to be promo code 5006. Each day we're going to have a 4-digit promo code, which corresponds to an order that we already have placed, so it's going to be very specific. So when you jump over to Facebook and look at our business page over there, Shaver Sales Inc., you'll be able to actually print off the sales quote itself, which looks just like this. And it'll go right down through all of the retail numbers, all of the discounts, and then our specific flash sale discount. So on this one, we're going to do an additional $396. So we're going to give you $1,000 off of a 30-30 stump buster. So the crazy price is going to be $5,045. Now, the big savings of the week is going to be on an 1824 diesel. We took off the standard 4-foot frame. We added a 10-foot frame. We added the auto cycle. We added the fast split. We added an 8-way wedge. We added the 10-way diamond wedge. We added a 16-foot fold over the top conveyor. And we also added 10 saw chains to it. So it's going to be a sweet unit. The 10-foot frame extension is something that I wish I had on my unit, so that's why we went ahead and built this one with that already being on there. And I'm not going to tell you what the price is, because I want you to go over to the Facebook page and check that out. And that's just one of 8 items. We're going to do the 30-30 stump buster that I told you about. We're going to do a 30-foot radius axle stacking conveyor. We're even going to do a disc cleaner with a wheel kit already installed. We're going to do 2 of the 2024 auto cycle fast splits. We're doing one with a 6-way and one with a 6-way and an 8-way wedge. We're going to do a 1424 extended frame, and when you go longer off the front, that means I can go longer off the back. So I went ahead and upgraded the conveyor on that from the standard 10-foot frame or 10-foot conveyor to the 12-foot conveyor, just for a little bit higher output height on it. We're going to do 2 1824 gas machines. Both will be an extended frame. Both will have the 14-foot straight conveyor, auto cycle fast split, a 6-way on one, a 6-way and 8-way on the other. And then one of those 2, we're going to do it with the Chevy 999 motor. Well, what is that, you might ask? It's going to be a liquid-cooled gasoline engine on a processor. So figured it'd be kind of cool. The little Kohler motors are actually getting harder and harder to find, so did some research and found these 999 motors from Chevrolet, and so far I think we've built 1 or 2 of them on there, and they are little performance demons. The higher RPM on the gas motor versus a diesel is really doing nice on the output. And then of course we have that 1824 diesel that I was telling you about, and that is going to be the biggest savings this week. Each one of the preceding items on there, we're going to do one a day until they're gone. So if we list a stump buster on Monday, nobody buys it until Thursday, then it stops on Thursday. All of our promo codes, again, are going to be a 4-digit. They're going to be good for 1 unit as it is listed on the website on Facebook. And it does not include shipping because we don't know where you're watching this video from. You might be in Maine, you might be in North Carolina, you might be in New Jersey, or you might be in California. So the prices that we quote are just going to be on the unit as if you were to pick it up from Brute Force, but we do offer shipping, and happy to do that quote to include the unit and the shipping to get it to your place. So please don't hesitate to give us a phone call. We really want to earn your business. If you're watching our channel, if you've seen all the other videos, if this is the first video that you're watching, first off, thank you. And second off, please give us a phone call. I really want to earn your business with the sales quote. And again, the number is 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. And my email is sales@shaverequipment.com. And over on Facebook, I think I have my cell phone number listed as well. So I am anticipating a high number of call volumes. So if I do happen to miss you on a call, just leave me a brief message and I'll do my very best to get back to you. Just a one-man band, don't have a full sales team or secretaries and everybody else running around. So, which is also kind of nice because we run everything that we sell. So if you want a splitter and you have questions about a splitter, well, yeah, we've run it. If you want a quote on a big processor, yeah, run those too. So we always start with how big of a log diameter are you looking to either split or process? How long is the log that you're looking to process? Because there's a whole little checklist that I run down through just trying to make sure we actually get you in the right machine for your specific application. We're also happy to talk about anything from the Halverson line or even from CaMex, our log loader trailers. I'll be doing a separate video and some separate posts on them this week with some different options as well. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.